Hi, I'm Charles, and today we'll be talking about installing the CrashPlan application on macOS. To get started, we'll first walk through downloading the CrashPlan app installer from the CrashPlan console. To download the installer, sign into the CrashPlan console with your CrashPlan username, password, and two-factor authentication if applicable. Once you log in, navigate to the Downloads menu. The Downloads menu can be found by navigating to Administration, Client Management, and then clicking on Downloads. From the Downloads section of the CrashPlan console, download the latest version of the CrashPlan app for your operating system by clicking the download icon on the right side of the screen. By default, the download installer should be placed in your Downloads folder. Now that you've downloaded the CrashPlan installer and located it within your Downloads folder, double-click on the installer to open it, and then double-click on Install CrashPlan. Follow the prompts within the installer to complete the installation using the default settings. Once you've completed the installation process, the CrashPlan application should automatically launch and bring you to a new sign-in window. From there, enter your CrashPlan username and click Continue. And that's it! That's how you install the CrashPlan application for your macOS device. For steps on signing into the CrashPlan application, visit our support site at support.crashplan.com and search Sign In to CrashPlan. Thanks for watching!